Hi, my name is Molly Cooling and I want to talk to you today about how my online live interactive Reiki trainings work. So I started teaching these during the COVID-19 pandemic for obvious reasons and found that this format really works. And it's different than what you might normally see for online trainings because often online Reiki trainings are pre-recorded, sort of pre-packaged videos, and it's a self-study situation. My training is completely different. You show up live with me and it's an interactive group training. So I, generally speaking, split the 8-hour classes into a couple or even 4 modules, and that seems to be working well so far. So you don't have to sit in front of Zoom for 8 hours at a time, and that sort of breaks up the information for people, and then you get homework to practice in between. I also send you an e-course pack prior with copies of the slides so you can take your own notes. What else do I want to tell you? And then I also have follow-up resources in the form of a daily self-guided Zoom room every morning if you want to come and practice with us, and then monthly virtual Reiki practice groups on the first Saturday of every month. So I'll link to those things below, but yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope that you consider joining us. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.